I know, guys, I do sympathise. It is a massive pain in the for traders, the fact that Bybit have joined the KYC club from May the 8th, and you're probably watching this after May the 8th, but even if you're watching it before or at the time, I'm going to be showing you exactly the solution to this problem, and the solution has a lot of benefits. In this video, we're going to learn exactly how to get around KYC verification in a completely legitimate fashion. You do not even need to use a VPN or any kind of verification for this solution. And that solution I'm talking about is using a decentralized exchange, better known as a DEX. And Bybit have one of these. So in this video, we're going to cover everything to do with what KYC is and why they've introduced it, but more importantly, the solution to getting past this, which is Apex Pro, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Apex Pro as well. Guys, there are chapters down below, so feel free to rewatch, skip ahead, navigate the video. Please do leave a like, share this video with a friend if they will have a similar issue or are having a similar issue, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first, let's talk about the problem. Yeah, it's mainly for people that live in restricted countries, jurisdictions that do not have access to trading futures derivatives platform. And this has actually been the case for a while. For example, in the United States, you haven't been able to trade on trading exchanges for a long time. However, some traders were getting around this by using a VPN. So they could set their location as somewhere else and they were able to get around that. Rightly or wrongly, we all know that's what was happening. Now, with Bybit's KYC level 1, even using a VPN, that is not going to be possible unless you simply lied about your identity, which I heavily suggest you do not do. That is a criminal offense, so you'll be in big trouble if you do that. But the whole point of this video is the fact that you can legitimately trade on Bybit. It's called Apex Pro. It's a decentralized exchange, and you can simply get around all the issues that were there before and are there now. So let's go on to Apex website. Here we have it in front of us. Like you can see, multi-chain permissionless trading. A DEX is what it says on the tin. It's a decentralized exchange, meaning there's no centralized party running it. It all runs off the blockchain. And of course, most importantly, like I mentioned before, no VPNs, no verification, no KYC, none of that, because you are trading decentralized. You do not need to create an account even. You can simply connect a wallet to Apex Pro and you can start trading peer-to-peer on a decentralized network. So let's talk about what is a decentralized exchange, because it's all well and good. I'm going to show you how to use it, but a lot of people are going to be wondering, well, I want to know a little bit more about it. And if you don't, feel free to skip ahead, but it's important to educate yourself if you are going to trade on something new. So very simply, and I guess to summarize, a decentralized exchange, it's a digital currency exchange that allows users to buy crypto through direct peer-to-peer currency transactions. Decentralization, it's a fundamental philosophy of blockchain technology anyway. So what it's essentially doing is alleviating the fact for a main party or a central party like a bank, a trading exchange, a government, in this case Bybit. It's decentralized, it's peer-to-peer. In a moment, we'll learn a little bit more about how to use the exchange, and it will later even become even clearer that there's actually a lot of benefits to using a DEX, even if you can use a SEX. Centralized exchange, I shouldn't have said that. And guys, if you are going to sign up for Apex Pro, do use the link in the description down below. I'm by no means sponsored to make this video, and when you use that link, you will get up to a $30,000 bonus plus 50% off your trading fees when you do so. So link in the description down below. Okay, so let's take our way over to the Apex Pro website over here. So this is the home page, and what you're going to want to do is launch app. And by the way, these guys have a fantastic app as well, as you can see here. So you can use it on Apple or the Google Store, and you can also use it on your desktop. So I'm going to launch the app here, and the first thing that you'll notice, one of the main differences between Apex Pro and the Bybit platform, and by the way, this was made by the Bybit team, so that is the benefit. You'll see a lot of similarities how it works, but the main thing you'll notice, which is quite different to the Bybit exchange, the centralized exchange, is this Connect Wallet. So if you click on Connect Wallet, it's going to give you some different options of networks that you want to use. So Apex Pro offers 4 different networks: Ethereum, BNB chain, Polygon, and Arbitrum 1. I suggest not to use Ethereum simply because of the fees. BNB, Polygon would be my preferred choice, because when you're using a decentralized exchange, when you deposit funds onto the exchange, you will experience some things like gas fees, for example, where you wouldn't have been privy to before. Now, these fees are not a lot at all, especially if you select BNB or Polygon. In the case of myself, I'm going to use Polygon, and I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet. So this is going to be similar with any of the wallets provided mentioned, but I'm going to show you on MetaMask. You obviously need funds in your MetaMask wallet in order to fund your Apex Pro account, and you can have different networks. So in the case of mine, I'm on the Polygon network. You can see I currently have 580 𝗕𝗏𝗡𝗓 tokens, which is about $556 US. So I'm able to use that money to deposit into my Apex Pro account. If I wanted to put funds into this, I could simply copy my wallet address and send Matic from another wallet. If you didn't have Matic, you could go on to any centralized crypto exchange or hard wallet, depending on wherever you have your crypto. You can buy crypto from many different places, as you know, and you can send it to your MetaMask wallet. Doesn't have to be in Polygon or Ethereum. It could be USDT, and then you could swap it through MetaMask and then obviously use it to trade on Apex Pro. So before you go on to start trading on Apex Pro, just to show you quickly how you put your funds on there. Once you've connected your wallet, of course, whether it's MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, you basically, depending on what the chain you have, in my case, I have Matic, so I need to connect, I need to select Polygon. I can switch network if it asks me to do so, and then I can select Matic here, and it's simply going to ask me what I want to put on. I could do $20, for example. I could press confirm deposit, and it's going to ask me here to confirm the smart contract. I can press confirm. There we go, non-Ethereum deposit in progress. So it doesn't take long. This is estimated to take 4 minutes and 15 seconds, and then the funds will be available in my margin and total equity account. So you can see at the moment it's $11.80. In a moment it's going to be about $20 more, so about $31 or so. So now you can see that has been deposited. We have just under $31 in our account, and I assume, as someone watching this video, how to trade without a verification KYC, you probably know the basics of trading. If you don't, do check out this video here, how you can learn how to trade, and there is a link in the video description down below for my playlist. Many different trading tutorials, copy trading as well. But let me show you just the very basics of how you use this. So you can, at the moment, at time of recording anyway, it might be different when you're watching this, you can select between these assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Arbitrum, XRP, Atom, Doge, Matic, and a few others. So we'll just do an easy example. Bitcoin, we're in USDC. It works just like any other exchange. You can select your leverage, up to 30x leverage for Bitcoin. I think for the others, it varies a little bit. So Ethereum is 30x. For example, XRP is going to be less, up to 15x. But yeah, generally about 15 to 30x leverage if you need the leverage. And you can simply use limit orders, market orders, conditional market orders, just like you would before. So very, very simple, very, very easy to do. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this, please share it with a friend. Make sure if you are signing up, do use that link down below, because you'll get a bonus. I'll also get a bonus. So it's much appreciated if you sign up for that. And feel free to check out any one of these videos before you go. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.